ain't never been a god since the last run.
Sobat Konenk Motovlog, jumpa lagi di channel terkeren untuk pecinta Yamaha Mio M3 di mana saja berada, khususnya komunitas Yamaha Mio M3 Indonesia. Kali ini kita akan melihat penampakan atau hasil dari penggantian saklar lampu hazard di video sebelumnya. Bagaimana menurut kalian? Mau lihat? Mau tahu? Atau penasaran? Oke, langsung aja. Inilah hasilnya.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas that shiver. Thinking about Sound Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga, move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun that I changed straight from the dark shit. No tape, but I play with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been a god since the last run. No stats in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that I never really own. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Call me. Call me. Yeah, dress like a motherfucking god when I reach the spot. Niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty slot. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no plot. Fuck a wet bread, no top, no spot. Chase all day to the thoughts in the back. Put my niggas fuck bitches in the back of the cab. Claim riches, but a nigga been whack. Never talk, boy, with your fake ass stack. Cash, talking about cash, nigga. When I throw that shit, catch, nigga. Last time when I talk to a man.
Saatnya gua dan Konenk pamit undur diri. Sampai ketemu di video berikutnya.